change, which is no great shame, because I love her taste as much as I love her name. She's insecure with a touch of pain, as she bleeds her tearful memories softly, trying to clutch her pain. She's seen enough disdain, murders and money gain, victims standing soaking in a bloody rain. She's accepted and discriminated, been defensive in the miss her cadence, always been there for the kids she stated. I guess I put a ring on her finger with my breath and not holding her hand, reciting till death do us part. She wears the sun whenever she gets the chance, which isn't a lot, the way this weather stands. And when the rain coats her skin, you might stare, I'm right there, take strain, soak it in. You'd be the same, slow dance for fame, know the name, she's a dame but broke within.
As time goes by, oh I think of you, memory of a love that once was true. It was time goes by, oh I think of you, memory of a love that once was true. It was
History's been rich and varied, but extremely poor with chips and paydays, with poverty on her lips have tasted. She's had a dark past riddled with crime, and seen more death in her life than living with time. She was known for her depression and decline, her oppression of the mind and her obsession with the wine. She's been pimped and beat, cut and stabbed, bought and sold, mutton, lamb, bought for gold and given it back with her other hand. She's been kissed and touched, raped and hugged, never said a word to say, this world can taste in blood. She's been up and down and up, been in town, seen as luck and love 1,000 times, doesn't dream enough. She'll be anything you want her to be, she'll keep you company, walking the street, even call you some weed. She'll be your best friend from the north, east, south to the west end.
as time goes by, oh I think of you, memory of a love that once was true. It was time goes by, oh I think of you, memory of a love that once was true. It was
Some say she's bad luck, but I'll believe in her till the day I get my ass. She's scattered all over her cracks and slab work. She taught me a lot from the cop, taught me how to write rap, stick up for myself and fight back. She taught me the life's art, how to hold a mic in my right hand with a tight grasp. Taught me how to drink, taught me how to think, taught me how to flow, and she definitely taught me how to sing. Got me on the ink, got me on the brink, got me to the shrink. Constant weekenders nearly got me in the clink. Like a vacation, I'd sooner spend days wasted with a couple of friends, filling cups, tasting. On the low, keep passing a couple of blunt statements till I'm laid in death, pacing, scribbling my scattered brains vacant. Feeling Doonham in Glasgow blazing with a bulldog, putting butterscotch and everything like it's tasteless.
as time